Mixonites, have you ever felt like your Tesla deserves a little bit better? Better range, a cleaner look, or just something that makes people go, whoa? Well, that's exactly what Halo Black and these HALODISC 2s are for. Thanks for tuning in. I am Nathen Mixon. By the way, links are all going to be in the description, so if you like what you see, make sure you look down there for a quick tip to save you some money on your new purchase, because these are going to be some game changers for you. If you're new to the channel, we do a lot of reviews, sometimes some fitness things and some motivational tips to help you stay fit, but also to keep you looking cool at the same time with the latest and greatest tech. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like. Let me know what's going on. And yeah, we'll go from there. Tesla, your rims look great, but we have a huge problem. You are vulnerable. Curb rashes, scratches, and road grime, yeah, they don't stand a chance against everyday driving. And when it comes to aerodynamics, your wheels can be quietly sabotaging your range and also to your drive quality.
I recently just did a road trip from California, and let's just say every edge counts.
HALODISC 2s aren't your average wheel covers.
It's futuristic and specifically designed for your Tesla.
It is said that the HALODISC 2 cuts drag, reduces wind noise, and extends your range up to 5%. To put that in perspective, if you have 300 miles on your Tesla, you can bump that up to 315 miles if you add the HALODISC 2s to your drive.
These covers are precision engineered with a rubber base that hugs your rim. That means no scratches, no curb rashes, a snug anti-slip fit for better protection, and of course, safety.
Your new HALODISC 2s will include 4 center lock hub inserts, 4 HALODISC, 4 center lock caps, 4 hex screws, 4 HALODISC caps. That's a lot of 4s. And to make this a little bit more simpler, we're going to do this in 4 steps. The tools needed to get the job done are included in the box. This is going to be your gloves and a removal hook, your hex key, a center lock tool, and try not to lose these. If you have a Tesla with stock rims, you can copy some HALODISC and the installation is the same for all. It looks complicated, but it's way too easy. It took me more time to set up my cameras than it did to install these HALODISC. I have the 20-inch induction wheel, so I'll be using the removal hook to remove the center cap. Now let's knock these out in 4 steps. Step 1, take your center lock hub insert, push in the middle, insert it into your wheel, and use the center lock tool to tighten it, but not too tight. Step 2, take your center lock cap and insert it into the HALODISC. Then screw it onto your center lock hub, tighten it with the center lock tool, again tight, but not too tight. Step 3, take your hex screw and screw it into the center of the center lock cap with the hex tool. Tight, but not too tight, like your mom. Oh, sorry, intrusive thoughts. Step 4, grab your HALODISC cap, turn it into the HALODISC until it snaps into place, and boom, you're done. Now these HALODISC are made from a high durability material like POM plastic and 304 stainless steel. You're not deflecting rounds coming, but debris, curb rash is no issue. Plus they come in minimalistic black and white for the Model 3, including the Highland, Y, X, and S in various ranges from 18 inches to 21 inches, giving your car a clean, elevated look without being flashy. And if you do want to be flashy, you can go to their site and choose one of their custom designs or take it a step further and design your own. Maybe you can help me design something. Comment your ideas below. And if you are familiar with me, you may see where my mind is at. So Mixonite, if you're ready to give your Tesla a performance boost and a style upgrade, HALODISC 2s are the way to go. It's sleek, smart, and seriously easy to install. Use my code Mixonite at checkout and treat your car to the next level and give it the look that it deserves. Drive smoother, go farther, and even look better. But in the meantime, comment below and let me know your ideas and how to customize my wheels. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.